right, good morning everyone. Scrapper Sam here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the Scrapper Sam Show. We're going to pick up where we left off a few days ago. Hopefully the scrap will still be there. It's scheduled to be picked up this week, so it was out a little bit early and we spotted some appliances just sitting out there on the curb all by themselves. Oh no. Anyway, we're gonna see if they're still there. Hopefully they will be. If not, we'll try to get some other scrap. Kind of limited on time this morning, but we'll come back later this afternoon when we have more time to do our scrapping. Anyway, we'll see what we can do in the first hour this morning, and then we'll come back later in the afternoon to do more. Come along with me, everybody. We're gonna have some fun. Scrapper Sam. We are lucky today. Not entirely surprising that this thing is still here. Very happy that it is. We're gonna get this loaded just like this, if we can. Okay. Well, not a perfect landing, but okay. I love my job. Okay, did you see that, y'all? No. Yeah, of course you did. You're watching. All right, plenty of space in there for other things to go. Got this on the way over here. I happened to see down some of the other alleys, and I think we're gonna have a pretty good scrap day again. I'm certainly hoping so. All right, let's keep going. Here we go. We got some great stuff here. That air conditioner is a nice addition, and we got some lawn equipment and a headboard. Wow, we're gonna get this. Oh, we can get down one more level. There we go. Perfect. Awesome. And a little fan. We'll have to test that. It could be useful. And last but not least, we got this really nice air conditioning unit. I wonder if it works. Only one way to find out. We'll test it at home later. Ouch. Okay. See, I told you this. I saw a lot of stuff down here. We're going to be full before you know it. Okay, we got some bed rails here. You guys may recognize this place from the last video. I got some stuff here. I didn't see the bed rails. Maybe they added to it since the last time I was here. Bed rails are always good. I think they did add something to this since the last time I was here. I don't remember seeing these. This is going to be aluminum. So next time we're at the yard, we're definitely going to go to the small scale. We've got some stainless. We've got some aluminum, and we've got time. Ah, man. I know I see that stuff down there, but it's buried. I'm gonna make a mess trying to get to it. All right, there's a lot more scrap in this area though. It's been here for a while too. All right, let's keep going. Well, this is beautiful. I mean, we got a box fan, but it's, you know, a metal one. And another fan, a floor standing fan, and a bed frame. I have to disassemble this. Hopefully I didn't leave my hammer at home. All right, we're gonna edit this a little. Uh-oh. All right, we got everything on. Looks good to me. Let's get going. Huh. This is a rack mounted server, and it looks to be pretty complete too. A lot of times these things will have the drives and things removed, but this one looks like it's complete. I'm definitely going to pick that up. We'll have a look at it later, see how old it is. It looks like it's fairly new, so it may have some usable parts on it. Let's go out here and use our scrap sense left to right. I know, how do you ever know, right? You have to use your scrapper sense. All right, we're going left. And it's a water heater. Okay. And it's a printer, but more importantly, it's a Tommy Bahama cooler. And some steel there. I think the cooler is seen its better days. But it's still good scrap. And as far as the water heater goes, I am pretty sure there's no way I can get the water heater on there. So what we're gonna have to do is record this address and come back. By the way, I went right instead of left because my scrapper sense was stronger this way, and now I know why. All right, let's keep going. All right, we got some metal here. Yeah, that couldn't fall out. And we got this one with a basketball, two basketballs, and a soccer ball. Okay. Some lightweight studs there. Look at those though. Looks like a TV base there also. Okay, those are usually glass or wood or something. All right, let's keep going. You know, with the little bit of cloud that we've got, and add to that the cooler temperatures today, it is really pleasant out here. I'm not even sure what these are. They look like shelves of some kind. I don't think we need these light fixtures. Okay, keep going. Doing good. It's a big CRT TV. Can't use that, but we can take this. And let's see. I don't like picking up these screens. There's so little value to them. Well, it looks like they got a new TV, a 65-inch to replace that. So that's always good. Okay, it's a disposal. Haven't seen one of those in a long time. I think you can probably see it from here. There's a stove. I'm gonna pick that up next time. We got a grill here. I need to look at that and see if it's still working or still usable. If so, I might be able to use it. We'll have to check that in a little bit. There's some other stuff here. Oh man. A big old heavy TV. We're gonna have to strap this down. Oh no. Sorry. Still got the brackets on it. It's some pretty hefty wood there. Doesn't look like any additional scrap. All right, we're gonna get this strapped down and we'll head over, call it a day. I think that's probably the best we can do for now. Oh my gosh. There's so much scrap here. What can I get on this trip though? We're gonna have to stack some of this again. That might actually work. All right, I'm gonna get another piece and we'll need to make a note of this location so that we can get more. Goodness, this has been really a super scrap day. This is all going to fall off if it's not strapped down, so we'll do that and then we'll get going. All right, we made it out to the scrapyard and it's still pretty cool out. A Badger 5, that's exactly the kind of disposal that I have. Yeah. Start my wire collection all over again. It's going to be a long day today. I'm got my eye on some water heaters and exercise equipment and stuff like that, hoping that everything is right where I saw it last. I'm free. Okay, and I don't think I ever found out where the battery is in this thing. It's time to ditch it. Some screws in that. These two go together if anybody wants it. I'm gonna put one of these over here. That was a big rat. I haven't seen rats over here before. First one. I'm gonna have to buy another pair of these scissors just to keep me from having to walk all over the place. I don't want to put them in my pocket because it's kind of a hazard that way. All right, so we got cashed out at the small scale and the big scale. We got $32 on our shred, and then we got another $28.10 on the small scales. So copper, aluminum, compressor, some ceiling fans, stainless steel. Not a whole lot in those, but you know, it adds up. Way better than putting it all in the shred side. We're gonna have to buy a new set of our scrapping shears. We gave those to one of the other scrappers here. It's a lady that I've seen here a couple of times before. She's super hard working, and Colleen, the cashier here, said that she's a really good person. So that was just something, you know, helping out another scrapper and someone that can really benefit from that. She was cutting a bunch of ballast wire, and the clippers that she was using were just so slow. It was painful to watch. So helped her out with that, and we got $60.10 so far. This is our first load today. And hopefully we'll have another load coming here pretty soon. I'm going back after the water heaters and other scrap that I didn't have room for last time. So hopefully that'll all work out really well. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like if you found these videos interesting and entertaining. And I will be back with you again. Scrapper Sam.